In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of a Wix website. If you've made changes you're not happy with or something broke after an update, Wix keeps a history of your site so you can quickly roll back to an earlier version. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what you're seeing, and share a few tips so you feel confident about the process. Start inside the Wix editor for the site you want to revert. Look to the top left corner of the editor and click the site menu. This menu holds important housekeeping tools for your project, including where Wix stores your site's version history. From that menu, choose Site History. Depending on your editor layout, you may see a brief panel with a shortcut. Click Go to Site History to open the full history view in your dashboard. This dedicated page is easier to scan and gives you more context about each saved point, such as the date, time, who made the change, and whether that version was published or just saved. On the Site History page, browse the list to find the version you want to bring back. You'll typically see thumbnails and labels like auto-saved or published, which can help you spot stable milestones. Use the timestamps to anchor yourself. Think back to when the site last looked the way you want. Take a moment to read the notes and details so you're confident you're selecting the right checkpoint. Once you've identified the version you want, select it and click Restore. Wix will ask you to confirm with a prompt that essentially says, "Restore this version." This is just making sure you intend to replace your current site content with the selected snapshot. If you're certain, click Restore again to proceed. Wix will now restore that version. Your current site state isn't lost. It's saved in site history too, so you can always move forward or back again if you change your mind. When the restoration finishes, return to your editor and your live site to verify everything looks correct. If you don't see changes right away on the public site, refresh your browser or clear your cache to load the latest version. After restoring, double-check important pages, menus, and any connected apps or data collections to ensure everything is working as expected. That's all there is to it. Quick, safe, and completely reversible using Wix's built-in history. Thanks for watching and happy building.